So as you all know, the Black Friday sales are going to end. So it's like today it's 27, so 28 or 29 this Black Friday sale will be end. So I'm gonna tell you how to get offers in this Black Friday sale. I'm gonna tell you how to get 20% off and a free domain absolutely free of cost. Now in many videos they will fool you, they will tell you this 80% 90% off like thing for free thing, but these are just false things. You see this one is the Black Friday sale offer, not the coupon offer. The 20% is the highest coupon offer. Now it's valid for all the countries. So you have to click on the link that's there in the description. Then from here you have to choose your country, from which country you are. This offer is for everyone. Now click on claim deal. Now you have three options here. Now according to your budget and need you can choose your plans. I'll go with the business. Go with the business and cloud startup plan. These are good. And the premium, it's like if you have a low budget, then you can go with it. Now here you have to search your domain that you need. Now that's good. Now you see this 1 year. Okay, you see this, it's free. Now the domain is free. Now here I want to tell you this thing. If your budget is low, then you can go with the 12 months plan also. And please don't skip this video. In the end, I will tell you the main thing. In this 12 months plan, you see this in just $36 you are getting this offer. In $36 you are getting a free domain and a web hosting for 12 months, which is absolutely great deal. Black Friday sales are there, so this offer is there. Otherwise, you will not get this offer. Now, if your budget is good, then go with the 48 months plan blindly. Now, if you compare the monthly prices, then you will see 48 months plan which will be much and much better. You see this, plus there is 3 months of extra hosting also. It's like it will cost to $2 a month, which is that cheap, and a free domain. Now I want to tell you this thing, this main thing. This offer is only valid for new users. Only new users can claim this offer. If you are if you are existing user, then you can't claim this offer. However, there is a trick what you can do. The link that's there in the description, copy that link, change your Google account, go with any other Google account, choose your plan and go for the payment. Now you are also a new user and you can claim this offer. So this is the secret trick. So I hope you like this video.